Welcome to this Windows channel, and we are going to take a little look at information that we have concerning Windows 10. First of all, the slow ring testers that receive builds only from time to time. Basically, slow ring means that when you receive a build, it has passed a high quality rank because basically the first level is the fast ring where people like me want to have the latest builds as fast as possible. But the slow ring is for those that just don't want to do it all the time and want to make sure that they get a good build, and that's what the slow ring in Windows 10 is. For those that are waiting for a build, there hasn't built a slow ring build in a little while now. And apparently, Gabe All from Microsoft did mention that build 10162 is actually considered for slow ring testers. Apparently, it has reached such a high quality feel that they think this will be one. And they released it just before the 4th of July American holiday because they wanted to have the full weekend of fast ring testers to see if everything's okay. And if everything does work, it seems that this build will make it to the slow ring next week. Now, if it makes it to the slow ring next week, the good news also about that is that everybody that's stuck in an old build and just can't seem to upgrade and need to clean install, it means that this build will also be released as an image file in an ISO format. So this means that as soon as slow ring gets 10162, you will have image files and you will be able to just clean install Windows 10 build with this image file. A lot of people are stuck on the old builds and just can't seem to get out of it, and the best way is to clean install. So what I would say is wait till next week. There is a very high chance that we will get image files of 10162 released from Microsoft, and you'll be able to just put it on a thumb drive or something, and or burn it on a DVD, and then just clean install Windows 10 with the latest build. This build is high quality, it's really good, and it really shows that Microsoft is getting close to release. And by the way, the fast pace of release also means that the quality of the builds are so high because we are getting near the release actually of Windows 10. So it means that we've reached a point where when even the builds are good quality. And finally, a little piece of news that I've had from the release of Windows 10 on July 29th. Apparently, from what I've heard, the insiders in the fast ring will be the first one to get Windows 10 on July 29th. And after July 29th, most people will get Windows 10. So that means that, on July 29th, not everybody will have Windows 10 immediately. It's going to be a process that will be spread across 2 or 3 weeks, maybe a month. Probably because if they send the bits out all together, they are going to spread it to make sure that we don't overload the Microsoft servers for sure. And an interesting little detail here is that apparently some of the computers will be used a little bit like a BitTorrent type ring, where when you get the bits of Windows 10, your computer will also send out bits of Windows 10 to other people that need Windows 10, as to kind of make things a little faster apparently. But that means that on July 29th, if you've signed up and you don't get Windows 10, don't panic. It doesn't mean that you won't have it. It just means that you will get it in the weeks ahead. So just wait for your turn basically, and apparently throughout the month of August, everybody will eventually have the Windows 10 bits. So it's an interesting thing because at first a lot of people, a lot of us thought that probably everybody would get Windows 10 and together basically. And now it seems that insiders first, and then everybody will slowly get Windows 10 as time goes by. So that's pretty much a little bit of the news for July 2nd. If you enjoy our videos, why not subscribe to our channel? You'll be informed when new videos are online, and give us thumbs up if you like our videos also. And why not share your comments, your questions? It's always fun to have feedback, and you guys have been giving me a lot of feedback, and it's fun to read, it's fun to see. It's also fun to see the different opinions about Windows 10. And hopefully you enjoy our videos. Thank you for watching.